June in Saguaro National Park is short bloom season, so I was scanning every rib giant for fresh flowers when I spotted these two perfect white crowns. They sat at eye level on a south-facing arm, ringed by tight green buds and a halo of spines. I angled the camera upward to set the blossoms against a clean blue sky, letting the cactus ribs guide your eye straight to the soft petals and golden centers. Bees zipped in and out, loading up on pollen. A cactus wren scolded from a nearby arm. The air held that faint, surprising sweetness you only get when saguaros open for a day or two. Mid-morning light was bright but steady, so I sidestepped until the shadows fell softly and the stamens glowed. When the breeze eased and the petals stopped quivering, I focused, checked depth, and made the frame. On your wall, this print delivers pure desert contrast. Silky white petals beside sharp spines, new buds pushing from armored skin, blue sky backing it all. It fits a kitchen office, studio, or southwest themed room that needs a bright natural focal point. Your print is produced by a professional lab on premium photo paper. Canvas, nettle, or acrylic options are available if you prefer another surface. Choose the size that fits your space, frame it your way, and keep a fleeting June bloom from Saguaro National Park in view all year.